What's up, you guys? Abby Wren Artistry here. I am a professional makeup artist and digital creator based in Los Angeles. I've been wanting to start this for such a long time now, and we finally pulled the trigger. Here we are. Yay, YouTube. So here, I just wanted to create a safe space, a creative space for everyone to come and seek information about products, play with makeup. I'd also love to cover the digital side of everything, how I film, my setup, everything in regards to that. So you may notice I have no hair on my head. That's because I have alopecia totalis. That is going to be a large part of this channel, talking about living with alopecia, doing makeup for alopecia, tips and tricks on how to draw on eyebrows and contour the face for a bald head. I choose to not wear wigs just because they're a pain in the butt and I like to just rock the bald head. So yeah, I think that's going to be a large part of what this channel is talking about living with alopecia and more specifically doing makeup professionally with alopecia. So stay tuned for lots of tips and tricks on how to do makeup with alopecia, how to do makeup in general. I'll be working on clients, showing tips and tricks on building your professional kit, going over gear, product reviews, favorites, all that good stuff. So I'm really excited to have you guys along with me on this journey, and I'll see you in the next video.